Welcome to Early Learners, featuring the 15th sound of the English language, which is R control vowel sound AR, R. The AR also can make the 13th sound of the English language, which is IR. So AR makes the 13th sound of the English language, and AR makes the 15th sound of the English language, R. Get ready. The 15th sound of the English language, A-R-R. R. Okay, let's attach the shuttle, turn off the engines. Okay, let's load up the shuttle bay with two storage devices, A-R-R, which makes two sounds, R, like car, and it also makes the sound er. The 13th sound of the English language, AR, says and AR says R, like the 15th sound of the English language. Okay, let's go deliver. Also, in this presentation, also take note of the double letters in some of the words. The double letters, when you blend it, you blend them separately. But when you say it, you say one letter sound. Like, for instance, dollar. You say D, A, L, L, But when you say it, you will say dollar, dollar. You hear only the one L. When you blend it, you hear the two L's. Let's ride. Smart, smartphone. R, T, smart, smartphone. Bark, B, R, K, bark. Dog, bark. Star, St, R, star, a yellow star. Party, P, R, T, E. Y sounds like E. Party, birthday party. Yard, rake. Y, R, D, yard. Gotta go take the rake and rake the leaves out the yard. Cigar, S, E, G, R, cigar, cigar. Dark, D, R, K, dark. The dark side of the earth and the light side of the earth. Shark, Sh, R, K, shark. Great white shark. A park, P, R, K, park. A slide and a swing set at the park. Jar, J, R, jar. Candy jar filled with candy. Garbage, G, R, B, idge. A-G-E sounds like I-J, idge, garbage. Car, That looks like a 57 Chevy. AR sounds like er. Pillar. P. E. L. L. Er. Pillar. One pillar, two pillar, three pillars, four pillars, five pillars, six pillars holding up the building. The two L sound makes one sound. L. L. Standard. St. And d. Standard. An old standard light bulb and the new standard light bulb. Mustard. Yellow mustard. M. St. Mustard. Yellow mustard on the hot dog. Liar. L. I. Liar. If you tell one untruth, that's a lie. You tell two untruths, you're a liar. Beggar. B. E. G. G. Beggar. The dog is begging for his bone. Here you go, puppy. There your big bone. The two G's make one sound. G. Beg. Cheddar. Ch. E. D. D. Cheddar. Cheese. The two D's make one sound. D. Ch. Ed. Buzzard. B. Z. Z. Buzzard. The two Z's make one sound. Z. Buzzard. Buzzard. Sugar. Sh. G. Sugar. The S make the SH sound. Sh. The U make the short double O sound. Cellar. S. E. L. L. Cellar. The two L's make one sound. L. Se. L. Go down in the cellar. Solar. S. O. L. Solar panel. Heated by the sun to make electricity. Collar. K. A. L. L. Two L's make one sound. L. Collar. Dog collar. Dollar. D. A. L. L. Dollar. Two L's make one sound. L. Dollar. Dollar. Double letters makes one sound. But when you blend it, you blend them separately in order to make sure you can spell it right. Okay? Double letters make one sound, but when you blend it, blend them separately. That helps on spelling. Consonant 2, vowel 1, consonant 2, vowel 1, R control vowel 3. We got a 13. R control vowel 13, add the 2 to it, split it between the 1 and the 2, the T and the E, and your first syllable is P. The second syllable is ter. Peter. Blend it. P. E. P. P. T. Ter. P. Ter. Peter. Okay, I'm just giving y'all a taste on what I'm getting ready to work on next after I finish the rest of these 19 sounds of the English language. This is the sole reason why I did the first 19 sounds of the English language, because I want to start building my child's, I'm trying to say, is try to build her vocabulary and learn to associate syllables with these first 19 sounds of the English language. So I'm going to be doing this kind of stuff after I finish the rest of the first 19 sounds of the English language. No child.